intrigues you about India? What do you like about India? What do you know about India? Anyone?
Food.
Food? Oh, me too. Okay. Anyone?
The clothes.
The clothes.
Yes. Yeah.
Festivals.
Exactly. Festivals are the theme of today, and festivals are the most attractive thing in India. So my second question is, what attracted you today for this event?
The people.
Anybody? The culture. Exploring the culture? Oh, she says food. Yeah, me too again. Okay, thank you for sharing your thoughts with us. And moving forward, let's begin our journey to explore the cultural heritage of incredible India. As per one of the articles from Swami Vivekanand, he said that India can be divided as ceremonies as well as worship. Celebrations are incomplete without worship, and worship is incomplete without celebration. So to begin our celebration today, please welcome Julia Jose presenting a prayer dance before us. Please give her a big hand.
स्वरूपा
अक्षयलिङ्ग निजगुहनिहितनितानन्द आनन्द अतिशय अक्षयलिङ्ग शम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयम्भो शम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयम्भो
महादेव शम्भो शङ्कर हर हर महादेव शम्भो शङ्कर हर हर महादेव शम्भो शङ्कर हर हर महादेव शम्भो शङ्कर
धिमि धिमि किट किटतो तोम तोम दरि किट किटतो धिमि धिमि किट किटतो तोम तोम दरि किट किटतो मतंग मुनिवर वंदित ईशा मतंग मुनिवर वंदित ईशा सर्व दिगंबर वेष्टित वेश नित्य निरंजन नित्य नटेश वंदित ईशा सर्व दिगंबर वेष्टित वेश नित्य निरंजन नित्य नटेश ईशा सर्वेश सर्वेश शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो गंगाधर शंकर करुणाकरा भवसागर तारक गंगाधर शंकर करुणाकर मामव भवसागर तारक शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो
Thank you, Julia. Wasn't it a very beautiful performance? A huge round of applause for Julia once again. Abhijit, what are you trying to do?
Nothing at all. I wasn't trying to do anything. Okay, fine. Just please don't tell my mom. I was kind of trying to sneak out.
Sneak out? Why would you want to do that?
Well, I mean, it's such a beautiful sunny day, and I have to wear something like this?
Oh, I know it's a bit hot.
I mean, yeah, it is. But my mom makes me wear this, but you truly must be crazy. You are an adult and you get to make your own decisions. She gets to choose what she wears whenever she wears it, and she still chooses to wear this. Isn't she crazy?
Abhijit, I love Indian clothes. For me, any celebration is incomplete if I'm not in an Indian attire.
But why are there so many customs for every single celebration?
India is a country of diversity. Therefore, there are so many different customs followed throughout the country.
But how is diversity and celebration related? I just really want to know why I have to wear something like this every single month for some festival or celebration, no matter what the season.
That's what I was trying to say. Because of diversity, that has resulted in many festivals throughout the nation. I know we need to put some effort to follow our customs, but we do so to honor our cultural heritage. And maybe there are so many festivals and your family friends are from different parts of the country. That's why you have celebration every month and you have to wear something like this. Do you know any Indian festivals?
I mean, I know a few of them, but I'd love to learn more. We all would.
Okay.
Right?
Okay, let me tell you all today about some Indian festivals. Where shall I begin from? I'll start with the first festival, which comes in mid-January. It is celebrated to welcome the new season and also known as Harvest Festival. It is known as Makar Sankranti, Uttarayan, Pongal and
Right.
Lori.
Makar Sankranti? Can anyone out there say that? It is very difficult to pronounce. Makar Sankranti.
I know it's a bit tricky, but it's not like a tongue twister. You make it sound like a tongue twister. It's simple. Makar Sankranti.
Well, I mean, it can be a bit easy to say. Makar Sankranti. But why does the festival have 4 different names?
It is 4 different names because in North India it is known as Lohri, in West India it is known as Uttarayan, in Eastern India it is known as Makar Sankranti, and in Southern India it is known as Pongal.
Ponga. I know Ponga. One of my best friends celebrates Ponga. He had his celebrations earlier this year, and I was a part of it. His mom did this, what is it, a bonfire. What was it called? It was Bogi. That's what it was called.
Yes, bonfire is a ritual both in North as well as South India. In South India it's called Bhogi, and in North India it's called Lohri. And do you know, in Lohri there is a special dance called Bhangra which is done around the bonfire. And today we have amongst us 4 beautiful ladies to present Lohri festival for us.
You mean like a visual display for all of us?
Yes, a visual treat for all for the celebration Lohri.
Wow.
Let me call on stage Usha, Neetu, Purnima and Hina for their Lohri performance.